Hi, this is a short video about the settings I did on the Baseflight configurator for my Emax Nighthawk Pro 280. I just show you my special settings like this. I like it how it flies, and yeah, let's start with all the points. First we have setup. Here I did nothing special. You have calibrate accelerometer, a calibrate magnetometer. That's what you have to do standard, that your flight controller will work properly. Then we go to configuration. In configuration I changed a few things. At the right side you have a lot of features. What I activated is don't spin the motors when armed, so you can arm your motors manually. And second last point, enable one shot, is to calibrate all your motors at once. Then when we go down a bit, come on, like this, for my Futaba receiver I left the receiver settings like this on Spectrum 1024. I have not S-Bus or PPM or something, just standard wiring. And a little bit lower we have border alignment. What I changed here is pitch adjustment. This is very important. You just have to change pitch adjustment when you angle your motors, when you need the adapters to angle your motors 10 degrees forward. When you mount these adapters, do these 10 degrees on pitch adjustment, because your copter will move forward when you mount the adapters without changing your border alignment. Like this, with these 10 degrees, your copter will hover perfectly with these installed adapters. I think that's almost it. At this point, the pits I left like they are regularly. We just can have a look at it. At the right side I have my actual roll rates and pitch rate and yaw rate. You have to try what you like most and do the rates up or down. Like this, it's not really aggressive, it's smooth to fly. When you want to fly more aggressive, you need higher rates, especially at roll rate and pitch rate. Then we go to the receiver. At the receiver, I just changed the RC expo. I put it down to 0.10 because there was too much there's movement of the stick when I used the original expo setting. I cannot tell you what the original one is, the standard expo setting is, but I put it down to 0.1, so that's what I like. Then you have just to make sure that all your sticks have the movement to from 1000 to 2000. When it's not like this, you have to change it on your transmitter with setting your stick ranges. Then all the colored roll, pitch, yaw and throttle have to move perfectly from 1000 to 2000. It's also okay when it's 2001 or 1999. It doesn't matter, but you have to be close to 2000 or on the left side to 1000. That's what I did here. Then let's go to mode selection. There is one very important point. I activated angle mode, horizon mode, and manual mode. And as you can see, manual mode is not on the display. What you have to do to activate angle mode, don't select any mode. You can see at low position of my switch I have angle mode, at medium position I have horizon mode, and on high position I have acro mode, full manual mode. So when you don't activate one of these modes when you want to fly acro or full manual mode. Just leave the high position clear. If you leave it clear, the controller switches automatically to acro mode or full manual mode for advanced pilots. That's really important. I did the mistake at the beginning and had a crash because I chose head free, and that was no good idea. So make sure for manual mode, leave one position of your switch empty with no hook, and then this will work great. Yeah, then we have servos, nothing special, GPS, motor settings. Just do it like it's in other videos which show how this should work, and the rest you don't need to have a look at it. Your Nighthawk will fly perfect with these settings, and then you can personalize your pits or whatever you want. But this is a setting which works pretty good, and yeah, I think that's it. I hope it was helpful, and have a good time with your Nighthawk. Bye.